Today we're going to be talking about marketing reporting in Salesforce. It's important to understand distinctions between list views and reports in Pardot Lightning. And we'll also talk a little bit about standard reports and how you can use them to enhance your Salesforce reports with Pardot data. In Salesforce and Pardot, Lightning capabilities between Salesforce reports and list views are important distinctions to understand. Salesforce reports are great at analyzing and sharing information, while list views help you view and take action on records. In Pardot, reports are not customizable. Therefore, if you want to build something quickly that looks at Pardot criteria, you typically use a list. In Salesforce, that same functionality exists in the form of list views. You can create a list based off of criteria. However, these are not considered reports. In fact, unless you're in the Reports tab, you're not building a report in Salesforce. Here are some differences between reports and list view functionality. If you take a look at the capabilities for Salesforce reports, you'll notice that they align closely with analyzing information. While if you take a look at list view capabilities, they align more closely to taking action on individual or groups of records. One example for how this UI difference can be frustrating to users is when taking a look at campaign members in Salesforce. The list view does not allow for exporting. A Salesforce report must be created if you want to export the campaign members. This data portability consideration is really important for you to understand and also to be able to onboard your clients. We have a number of Salesforce standard reports, which function as a great starting place for aligning your Pardot data to Salesforce data. Use reports on objects like account and contact, leads, opportunities, and campaigns to begin before creating custom reports. These standard report types will often meet most of your needs and will save you time and effort in customization. Here we have an example of the different report types that can be available. So when you're in the UI, this is what it would look like when you're searching for it. If you type in Pardot into the report type, you'll notice that there are a number of reports to start from. In addition, you can also take the fields and metrics from Pardot and then add them to reports. So if you're not familiar with these, I'd highly recommend taking a look and considering adding Pardot category scores for lead and contacts, marketing engagement metrics on assets like links, emails, and forms, taking a look at different types of campaign performance like customizable campaign influence or other campaign reports, and then adding Pardot synced fields that you'd like to report on and really slicing and dicing the data within Salesforce to get more granular reporting than what's available within the standard Pardot reports. And here's an example of a report with Pardot data. You'll notice that this is a lead by lead owner report, and you have Pardot data like score and grade being shown. You could also take this same report to better understand engagement in a specific location by grouping via location rather than lead owner. I hope this video helped you better understand at a high level how Pardot data can be analyzed or taken action on via Salesforce.